This is Jumeirah Zabeel Saray. It's located at the Palm in Dubai. Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Bilal. And the first time that I went to Dubai, my wife and I stayed at the Jumeirah Zabeel Saray. Now, it is quite pricey, but we did manage to get a great deal in the off season, which is actually very hot. But we took the leap and no regrets at all. This video will be just a quick walkthrough of the hotel. Now, as you can see, the entrance was incredible and quite grand. But of course, the inside was even greater than we expected. Now, the inside just continued the Ottoman architecture from the outside. What I mean by that is, we were met with Ottoman style design with the large pillars. We had gold everywhere. There was a fountain in the middle. And of course, there's a chandelier just coming right down the roof. This place was absolutely massive. Now, each side of the hotel has different shops. In fact, these shops are actually all throughout the ground level of the hotel. The shops included some for jewelry, there was some for souvenirs, some for clothing, and even Arabian style rugs, which you will see shortly. These shops are quite pricey, but what else would you expect when you're shopping at a hotel? Making our way up to our room, which was on level 4, I believe it has 6 levels in total. Walking in, you are immediately met with Ottoman-inspired styling, which corresponds with the architecture of the building. The reception had already brought up our bags, of course. And yes, we do have flower petals on the bed. It was our honeymoon. Looking around, you can see the different style furniture, which of course reflects the Ottoman era. Coming to the bathroom, this was actually amazing with marble everywhere. Of course, a bidet next to the toilet in true Arab Ottoman fashion, with the shower next door. And a bathtub big enough to fit a king and 10 concubines. Not to mention the balcony, which was amazing with views of the inner circle of the palm and of course the branches. This is where the celebrities tend to live. At night, I thought I'd show you the outside because when the sun goes down, the lights turn on, everything looks incredible. That's my wife with me there. Just going to explore the outside of the hotel. Now, different gardens. It's like a maze walking outside, really. Over here, you've got the beach part. So during the day, all the umbrellas open up. You can come and lay here and, of course, swim. This here is the pool area. Pool is incredibly massive. And the building looks incredible at night. It's the reason why I left the camera here for a little bit, just to try and capture it as much as I can. I clearly failed without a tripod. My arm was quite shaky a lot of the time, but hey, my first time doing this. Now, there's a cafe near the pool. I'm actually walking in that direction now, just past the bridge where You can actually order some argile, or some might call it even shisha, along with tea and some dates. And it's just amazing for you to sit there and smoke and look out at the pool. Regardless of the time of day that we came back, I'd always order a shisha. And finally, this place even has its own herb garden, and it doesn't get more fresh than that. Now, my wife and I really loved this place, and we would definitely recommend anyone to come here. It can be pricey, but try your luck in the off season. The service at this place was definitely on point. My next video will be showcasing some of the food that we tried at this hotel, so please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.